Hey guys, what's up? And today I'm going to talk about why I predict and believe 99% wholeheartedly that Tron TRX, the altcoin, will have a $12.75 valuation by the end of 2018. We're also going to be talking about the new leaked proof of Tron being added to Coinbase. And before I start explaining why I think this all is, I want to give a big disclaimer saying that I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I giving you guys financial advice in this video. I'm simply sharing my own biased opinion off of speculation, and you shouldn't take my opinion as financial advice. I'm just a guy talking about my biased opinions. So if you guys opened up CoinMarketCap recently, you've probably seen something like this: rows and rows of negative decreases within all the coins. And this was especially scary for a lot of people because the total market cap did fall from 506 billion US dollars from the beginning to today to now 455 billion US dollars. So pretty scary stuff right there. So it seems like a lot of people may be panic selling right there. So people are wondering if this is a start of another crash or just a small sell-off, and we should be seeing a market recovery tomorrow where the market will shoot up again and go in the green. Right now, Tron is at a very low and undervalued price of just under 4.3 cents. And some people in the crypto world would be scared of this and panic and tell you guys not to buy into it right now because they may see it as a risky investment. But let me tell you guys, those are usually the people who miss out on the huge profits because they bought in at later times when everyone was hyping up the coin at a higher solid green increase. So guys, don't be one of those people who miss out on this great buying opportunity. Right now, in my opinion, is the best time to buy up your Tron. If you buy in now and Tron goes back to its peak of 30 cents, which it definitely will hit 30 cents again, well, if we do the math, then you would literally multiply your money 7.5 times. But before I tell you guys why I think that and why I think TRX is headed to this massive moonshot to $12.75, and before I show you guys the legit proof and math as to how it will hit this number by the end of 2018, I want to let you guys know that I am still doing a free Bitcoin giveaway to my subscribers, and all you gotta do to enter in on this giveaway, if you still don't know, is like the video, subscribe, smack those post notifications bell, and comment down below your Bitcoin address. So if you do win, I know where to send you your free Bitcoin. It is a random giveaway, so literally anyone can win. And yesterday we got so many comments of you guys commenting your Bitcoin addresses below, so please comment below. The giveaway is still not done, but either way guys, you are definitely gonna want to subscribe to this channel because I do post daily cryptocurrency news videos on this channel that you're not going to want to miss. So here's why I think Tron will hit $12.75 by the end of 2018. And before you think I'm crazy and say it will never reach $12.75, well, I don't see $12.75 as being something that's unrealistic for Tron to hit. I've actually made videos on why I think Tron will hit $15 and another one saying it will hit $18. So I'm going to show you guys legit proof as to how this will happen. So hear me out. And to be clear, I still stand by those predictions that I previously made. I think as the market cap grows, we will definitely see Tron moonshot and pass these dollar barriers. I've been researching Tron like hell in the past days, and I just bought thousands more TRX because it dropped super low, because I believe in this cryptocurrency a lot. And there's actually been many other news articles and YouTube videos claiming the same. I've even seen some claim it will hit $20 and even some saying it will hit $100. So it's not too crazy, and I'm not the only one thinking this. And guys, I'm not trying to spread FOMO here because when I invest into a cryptocurrency, I invest into the technology and not the hype. And Tron's technology is there and is already being used in many real world uses to this day, which is why this crypto I think is going to be a gold mine for 2018. So watch the end because this is going to be an important video. Here's a list of the companies Tron has partnered with and successfully landed. Number 1, Tron has a partnership with Space T, basically the Chinese version of SpaceX. Number 2, Tron has a partnership with Baofeng, which is China's Netflix, which holds over 200 million users. Number 3, Tron has a partnership with Gifto, Rent a Bike, an app used to rent bikes with your smartphone, and these apps boast to have over 30 million users. Number 4, Tron has a partnership and deal with Game.com to use TRX as payments in over 30 plus game titles, along with Tron releasing their own game called Tron Puppies, a game where you can breed puppies and sell them for TRX. Number 5, Tron has a partnership with Kitty Live, Ya, Miko, and Waka to all use TRX. And if you don't know what these social medias are, they have over 100 million users and are apps that are very popular in the Middle East. So very huge news for Tron. Number 6, Tron has a partnership with PaiWao, which is basically China's Snapchat, which boasts to have around 10 million users, and they are already adopting TRX for payments. And not to mention, I also talked about how Tron may have a potential partnership with Alibaba because he's been getting very close with Jack Ma, the CEO of Alibaba, a company worth 24 billion US dollars, and this partnership is actually speculation. But if we look at Justin Sun's Twitter, the CEO of Tron, who is always posting more and more about new partnerships and being added to new exchanges, we can see that Justin Sun is even pictured with Jack Ma, the CEO of the billion-dollar e-commerce website that is extremely popular in China. And guys, it's not like I'm making this stuff up. It has been confirmed that Tron TRX literally moved their offices to be just a block away from Alibaba's offices. And again, if this is true, this is very, very huge news. Alibaba is worth 24 billion US dollars, and the site AliExpress.com boasts to have over 515 million shoppers on their site. So assuming that the Alibaba partnership works out, and including the already 8+ confirmed partnerships, that we could see Tron being used and open to over 855 million users. Also, it's not too unrealistic to see AliExpress adopting Tron for their payments because they're already showing an interest into crypto. Recently, they announced plans to build a crypto mining farm despite China regulations, so they are obviously interested into cryptocurrency. I mean, just imagine if people could use and pay for products on AliExpress using their TRX for payments, or say, just imagine if people could use, say, Baofeng, the Chinese Netflix, to then buy things on their subscription service with TRX. Well, like you could imagine, Tron would experience one of the biggest moonshots in 2018, and I predict it will no doubt hit anywhere from $7 to $11 from this news alone. Now, you might be saying to yourself right now that that's too high, and the supply of Tron is too high for that to happen, and the market cap needs to be a lot bigger than what it is now. And what I'd say to those people is yes, the market cap would have to be a lot bigger. Now guys, obviously I'm coming from an optimistic perspective, but just hear me out. The US stock market to date is at 63 trillion US dollars, and today, while I'm making this video, the crypto market right now is at 450 billion US dollars. So there's a big market cap difference right there. Both similar things, both counted as investments, and some would even say that cryptocurrency is an easier thing to invest in as opposed to stock. And recently, if you didn't know, the US dollar hasn't been getting the best rep. Market analysts have been claiming that the dollar is soon to be crashed, and Justin Sun, the owner of Tron, explained why he thinks that the dollar will crash, along with Charlie Lee, the founder of Litecoin, and many more people in the crypto world are saying that the dollar is going to crash alike. So if the dollar isn't doing well and stocks are going down, I think a lot of people will move their money into crypto. So for Tron to hit $12.75, the market cap for Tron would have to be 500 billion US dollars. But I think that in this scenario that we're creating, when Tron fully releases on March 31st, because if you guys still don't know, on March 31st, the Exodos launch beta update is coming to Tron, which is going to be so huge for Tron. It's when Tron fully releases, and along with this major update, Tron is going to have this major TRX coin burn on March 31st, and we don't know, say, the exact amount that Tron is going to get rid of their massive TRX supply, but in this hypothetical, let's say TRX will get rid of 50% of their supply because their supply is already very huge at 65 billion TRX, then it would only take half the amount of money to be put into Tron for the total valuation of Tron to equal $12. So there would only need to be put in 250 billion US dollars for TRX to equal $12, which is a far more realistic amount of money to be put into Tron. But still, for this to happen, Bitcoin and crypto has to be gaining along with Tron, and I believe that this is also very possible. Because if we follow the market long term, we would know that there's trends in every year for the crypto market. For example, Q4 of 2016 shows the same upward trend of Q4 2017, and if you don't know, at the beginning of 2017, the market cap was only at 20 billion and ended peaking at 600 billion US dollars at the end of 2017. So right there in 1 year, we saw a 30 times gain in the total crypto market. So that really shows us what is possible in this market, and it's why I'm also so optimistic on Tron, because if we were to see this same gain in the market this year, which I think is very likely, we will definitely see the market cap in the trillions, and most crypto market analysis are actually claiming the same. And then we start to consider that Tron is more than likely to be added to Coinbase, a platform that has more than 12 million users and is bigger than Charles Schwab, a stock exchange. Then you really start to see the whole picture here, guys, and it's why TRX is going to have this huge moonshot in 2018. And I'm not some crazy guy saying Coinbase will add Tron. There's been legit confirmed proof that this will happen. I'm not a developer or anything, but if you guys go ahead and check out Tron's GitHub repository, which is basically the source code of Tron, and if you look up Coinbase in the code, you can see that there's source code for Coinbase transactions written all throughout and littered through all out Tron's source code. So the question is then, why is there Coinbase source code written all over Tron's code? Well, a lot of people all over Reddit and all over YouTube are speculating that Tron will be listed to Coinbase and that's why it's listed within the code. And I think so too, because it would make a lot of sense and financial sense for Coinbase to add Tron, because Coinbase is a competitor to Robinhood, an app which already has 10 plus cryptocurrencies listed on their app. They literally got millions of app downloads. Well, they're planning to list more currencies, and one of them is likely to be Tron. And for Coinbase to compete with Robinhood, they're going to need to add Tron and add other cryptocurrencies to compete with this growing app called Robinhood, which by the way has 0% crypto trading fees, which is a huge competition factor for Coinbase, which is an app that has a lot of fees on their app. And all these reasons and more contribute to the reasons why I think Tron will have a moonshot to $12.75 by the end of 2018. So let's start a conversation down below. Do you think this will happen to Tron's price? Will it moonshot in 2018? Or do you think I'm crazy? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know in the comments your Bitcoin address, because I am still doing a free Bitcoin giveaway to my subscribers, and all you gotta do to get into this giveaway and get a part of this free Bitcoin that I'm giving out is like the video, subscribe, smack that post notifications bell, and comment down below your Bitcoin address so I know where to send you your lovely free Bitcoin. Either way, guys, you're gonna want to subscribe, because I do post daily cryptocurrency news videos on this channel that you're not gonna want to miss. And especially in this crypto world, news is moving so fast like a bullet, so stay on top of it, guys, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, because I do in fact post daily. Peace. Oh yeah, you can buy a yacht with Tron. That's pretty big.